Today I'm going to show you Google 10 SEO mistakes to avoid as a beginner. Now I have made a list right here, so I'm just going to show you one by one and we're going to discuss one by one, okay? So with that being said, the first SEO mistake you need to avoid is using more than one H1 per page. Now what I mean by that, like you need to constantly, I see people, try to iterate and try to, create keyword variations and all. The best things to do is, go to the answertopublic.com and find all the queries and questions long tail keyword search and people are searching for, and use it as a FAQs. So that's a really easy way to do, create headings and all, and create a content. Okay. And the second one we have is meta title not matching H1 keyword. Now I see most beginners make this mistake because you clickbait and add meta title and H1s are not missing, H1s are not relevant to the meta title. I know, I get it, you clickbait your SEO meta titles, but yeah, the keyword, the whole article should be relevant, somewhat relevant to whatever you write, your clickbait meta title. So make sure meta title matches your H1. The third one we have is the third SEO mistake to avoid is H2s and H3s not fitting the heading hierarchy. Now, to summarize this, what I mean by that is, so let's say you have this H1 and then content, H1 and then content, and for some reason the list, the whatever content, it should be in H2, but they write it in H1 and then they write the content. But instead, what you want to do is go here, write a H1 content and then H1 content, and then if there is any hierarchical content, then you should go like a ladder, like H2 content and H3 content. Okay, otherwise you can go straight away like this. But yeah, so those are the mistakes which people make. And the fourth one is keyword stuffing. I see people, they keyword stuff. I mean, keyword variations is one thing, so let me just tell you one thing, right? Okay, let me just grab this. So there is a keyword variations and then the keyword stuffing. So keyword variations are writing semantic keywords and also long tail keywords, and a sprinkle of keywords. There's a prefix and suffix. Okay, but keyword stuffing is writing the same keyword over and over again just because rank math is suggesting you to do, and people confuse and misunderstand that what the rank math tells you is you use the keyword variations, not the keyword stuffing. So many people misunderstand, and they try to stuff keyword stuff. So that's a really bad practice when it comes to SEO. And then you have fifth one, which is ignoring your user experience. Guys, I told so many times to my students to not ignoring user experience is one of the worst things. Like your navigation of the blog article should be good, your internal linking should be good, your table of content and FAQs and whatever content, structure of content should be good so that it doesn't bore off the users. I mean, you should do whatever it takes to make that user engagement to increase, so that's the number one thing when it comes to, improving your rankings. Like, get the user engagement high. That's the secret. In order to know other 5 SEO mistakes to avoid, comment down SEO and I'm gonna send you full list 10 SEO mistakes to avoid, just like this, and which you might be doing and you need to avoid it right now, right today, in order to improve your rankings. Comment SEO down below and I'm gonna send you a whole checklist for free. With that being said, I want to introduce you AI SEO Writer that auto publishes your blog, and I have made a 1-hour tutorial on this, 1 hour to write how to write SEO blog articles and automate it, and there will be a link in the description, you can check that out. And with that being said, I made a whole bunch of playlists and you can watch that